Welcome to Capri. At Capri Restaurant, Fortitude Valley, we specialize in Italian cuisine. We are fully licensed. We offer an intimate, friendly and family experience, but are also available for group bookings and functions. We have free Wi-Fi and open for lunch and dinner 6 days a week in the Emporium Centre.
In your day, Sharon, were you known as a hockey room?
Oh, nothing as fancy as that. It was just plain old simple Australian women's hockey team.
Champions Trophy, Aslan Shah Cups, were those things available at that stage?
No, there was basically a World Cup, and then America was very strong at hockey at the time because they would have been preparing for the 1984 Olympics. So we went to America quite a bit, but there wasn't nowhere near the amount of overseas tours that they have. And by the way, they were all self-funded, so there's a lot of chook raffles in there that sent me on my Australian trips back in those days. Yeah, a lot of changes. I mean, we certainly had to be fit, and I can remember we did some pretty stupid things back in those days. Jumping off planes, which took twice as long to get to America as what it does nowadays, and going for a 2-hour long run, within 24 hours of landing in Boston in -5 degrees temperature, and we foolishly thought that was what the coach thought was a great idea to do. So, science has come on board a lot more obviously in that time. So, sports science is fantastic in regard to sort of, the research they've done and all the different programs and things like that. Sometimes I wish, if I'd have been born 20 years later, you always think those things, so yeah.
So Lee, back then again known as a kookaburra?
Probably one of the first, I'd say, Tom. It was a time when Kookaburra Sport actually came on board as a full apparel sponsor in the Kookaburras, and so that was pretty much the instigation of the naming of the team. And there was probably some pretty funky outfits that we had to wear in the initial stages, but being a sponsored athlete using Kookaburra sticks, the same as Brent, probably give you an indication that they weren't selective, but certainly the period of time that I first came into the team, it was when Kookaburra Sport became really heavily involved above just the ball or a couple of select players using their sticks, and they outfitted the whole team for, I think it was about 4 years there. So that was the real beginning of the Kookaburra's name. So yeah, I'd have to say I was a Kookaburra.
Welcome to Capri. At Capri Restaurant, Fortitude Valley, we specialize in Italian cuisine. We are fully licensed. We offer an intimate, friendly and family experience, but are also available for group bookings and functions. We have free Wi-Fi and open for lunch and dinner 6 days a week in the Emporium Centre.